Welcome back. If you've ever thought about changing your hairstyle but weren't sure where to start, a pixie haircut might be exactly what you're looking for. A pixie cut is more than just short hair. It's a style that reflects confidence, elegance, and personality. Whether you prefer a soft feminine look or a bold modern appearance, there's a pixie style that can match your vibe perfectly. One of the biggest reasons people love pixie haircuts is how easy they are to maintain while still looking fashionable every single day. Pixie haircuts come in many beautiful variations. Some are sleek and polished, while others have textured layers that create extra volume and movement. A side-swept fringe can add a soft and graceful touch, while a choppy pixie gives a playful and trendy appearance. If you love experimenting with fashion, you'll be happy to know that a pixie haircut pairs beautifully with casual outfits, business wear, and elegant evening dresses. It's one of those timeless styles that never truly goes out of fashion. Another great advantage of a pixie haircut is how it highlights your facial features. Your eyes become more noticeable, your smile stands out, and your overall look feels fresh and youthful. Many women are surprised by how much confidence they gain after making the switch to shorter hair. It often feels like a fresh beginning and a chance to express a completely new version of yourself. Styling a pixie haircut doesn't have to be complicated. A little styling cream or light wax can add texture and definition within minutes. On busy mornings, you can simply run your fingers through your hair and still achieve a polished look. For special occasions, adding soft waves or a little volume creates an elegant finish that looks effortlessly beautiful. Color also plays an important role in enhancing a pixie haircut. Classic black gives a sophisticated appearance, while blonde shades create a bright and modern feel. Brown, caramel, copper, ash blonde, silver, and even pastel tones can completely transform the style. The right color combined with a well-shaped pixie cut creates a fashionable look that attracts attention wherever you go. Face shape is another factor that makes every pixie haircut unique. Round faces often look great with extra volume on top, while oval faces can pull off almost any pixie variation. Heart-shaped faces pair beautifully with soft side bangs, and square faces look elegant with textured layers that soften facial angles. A skilled hairstylist can customize the cut to complement your natural features. Pixie haircuts continue to be one of the most popular choices because they combine beauty, comfort, and versatility. Fashion trends may change every year, but a well-designed pixie haircut always remains stylish. Whether you're looking for a dramatic makeover or simply want something fresh and practical, this haircut offers endless inspiration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more amazing pixie haircut ideas and fashion inspiration.